Getting girls when you're rich is easy, right? No, it's not. You're wrong. And I'll show you why. A lot of people think that there's a correlation between getting money, having money, and getting girls. And while there is a correlation, there's no causation. It's not that you get rich and magically all these hot chicks appear and all want you. It's quite the opposite. If you're a dork, if you're a nerd, if you're someone that has no game, girls are not going to like you anyway, whether you have money or whether you don't have money. And maybe if you have money, they'll suck you dry in the worst possible way, not in the best possible way. And then they'll leave you just as well because you're a dork, you're a nerd, you don't have any skills, you don't have any game. Why would a girl be with you? What money does is it functions as sort of a key or an access pass where now you're at a certain level and people can see that you are someone. But what money can do is get you in the door. Now you are someone. You have the Ferrari or the Lambo or the yacht, or you have the cool Instagram pictures. Now you are someone. But you still have to actually be someone of substance, someone of merit, someone of skills to actually close the deal, to actually impress someone else that you're talking to. Whether it's male or female, that doesn't really matter. This also goes for like networking meetings. People think that if you're rich, you go to, you come to people think that if you're rich, you go networking and people will adore you and basically fall to their knees and, worship you. It's not like that. If you're a billionaire and you're a nerd, you're still a nerd billionaire. Why the hell would I talk to you? But if you're a cool guy, if you've actually done stuff, if you have skills, if you are someone of substance, if you have actual things to add to the conversation, if you're an interesting human being and you also have money as a result of those things, that's great, man. Now you got the magic formula. That's a cheat code to life right there. Being interesting, being skillful, being playful, being comfortable in your own skin, being charismatic because you've done this before, having money not being an issue to doing new stuff. Now, life gets a lot more interesting. But first, it's not about making money. It's about being a skillful, interesting. But first, it's not about being rich. It's about being skillful. It's about being interesting. It's about being someone that is charismatic because of those things. And then money comes into play. And if you have all those, you got it made. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell. It helps with the algorithm. And check out these other two videos that I made for you. You're going to love them.